Finding font in Photoshop is super easy. Here we have an image, and inside this image there is some font, and we will try to find this font using Photoshop. To do that, let's go to type, then match font. From here we have to just select the font. So let's select the font here, and there we go. It shows some results. We can try every font that it shows, but once it match, we don't have to try another because it already matched. So let's select the first one and hit OK. Now select the type tool and type the same word. Nice font. Let's make it a bit bigger, and we can see the font is matched 100%. So in this way you can match the font within just 1 minute or less than 1 minute. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have enjoyed it, please give it a like, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next tutorial. Peace.